Good afternoon, it's Christina from Sharp Automotive here in Watertown, South Dakota. I'm going to bring you a little feature on one of my favorite Traverses that we have on the lot right now. It's a 2021 Chevy Traverse RS LT. Got only 28,000 miles on it, so it is ready for your family and all the road trips. Perfect road trip vehicle. They say this is like the little mini Tahoe of the GM line. All-wheel drive. 28,000 miles. We can get you into it for about $48,700 when you finance through Sharp Automotive. Take a look at how sharp this is. Check out the rims. You've got the black offsetting red. Beautiful, beautiful vehicle. Take a look at the back. Show you the storage here for the cargo space. And both the third row and second row fold down flat. They keep it convenient back here, so you can pretty much do it one-handed. I guess this is one of my favorite Traverses because of its sporty looks. Take a look here at the second and third row. You've got the leather. You've got dual moonroofs. Also climate control vents, so that way in each row nobody is freezing or overheating depending on the climate here in South Dakota. You've got charging ports back here. That way nobody's arguing over who's going to use mom and dad's charger up front. Let's take a look at the third row. See how easy that folds down. There you go. Once again, more charging ports. That way everybody has their own place for their own device. Pull that back up for the captain's rows, the captain chairs. Take you inside. Show you all the fun features. Power windows, power locks, of course. There you go. 29,000 for miles. Start it up so that way you can see the dash and see everything works as it should. So go through the whole reset. There you go, no dash lights, everything's working fine. This is a 3.6 liter V6 in here, so just enough power for the size of the vehicle without eating up all the fuel economy like a Suburban or a Tahoe. You're going to see that you've got heated steering wheel, you've got hands-free Bluetooth cruise. You've got your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, got heated seats up front, nice deep cup holders, a couple driving mode options, more charging ports, pretty much everything you could need. This is ready for your next family trip or to go to all the ball games, meets, everything for a busy, active family. My name is Christina I'm at Sharp Automotive. Give me a call, 605-233-1010. I'll be happy to show this to you so you can take it home, love it, enjoy it. Thanks for watching.